Hello, this is Peter Hollemans, and this is a talk about the CoastWatch utilities that I gave at the CoastWatch annual meeting this year in September. CoastWatch Utilities is a package of geographic data processing software with specific functions for satellite image data. I'm going to highlight its functionality, where to download it, who uses it, and what some of the latest improvements are. It's important as a software package because it's useful in analyzing and processing geographic data prior to distribution on a data server, and it works on level 2 and level 3 data files. So the utilities read various formats of geographic data, including HDF and NetCDF. And they get information, they process and combine data, map data to projections, and they generate images, among other things. And the CoastWatch data analysis tool, which is pictured here, lets you do interactive analysis. So the next question you might ask is, who uses the software? Functionality is weighted towards data processing and mapping data to projections or registration. And a number of users groups use the software, including the CoastWatch Central Operations, which is the most heavy user of the most functionality. Also the AXPO Regional Monitoring Group for SST, the East and West Coast CoastWatch nodes, and also NOAA staff. We have commercial users use the CoastWatch utilities to process CoastWatch products for their own websites and applications. And finally, there are CoastWatch data analysis users all over the globe and that use it to view CoastWatch products directly. So what this all means is that there are many users that rely on the software, and we have to create new versions periodically to address bugs and handle new formats and metadata. So we create a new version about every 6 months, and we make beta releases with bug fixes available and new features between official releases. And since the last meeting last year, there have been 3 releases. The latest one is being finalized now. Actually, the latest one is now out on the CoastWatch Central Operations website. There are installable packages for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and they automatically install everything, including command line tools if that's needed. And the packages are available on the coastwatch.noaa.gov website if you look under User Resources. And also the source code is available. It's open source. It's on github.com/phollemans/cwutils. So your next question might be, why download the latest release? Well, we're always making improvements to the NetCDF read and write layers. There are improvements in the registration algorithms. They've been updated to handle the latest sensors. We update the documentation as we go along. And we recently started creating cloud-optimized GeoTIFF files with the new compression and tiling schemes. So those are some of the latest improvements. So now I've got a demo slide here, and what I'll do is I'll tack on a video of a demo of using command line and CoastWatch data analysis tool, CDAT, onto the end of this playlist.